So next type of the friction is sliding friction. When the moving object come to stop, then the friction between the object and the surface on which it move is called sliding friction. Here in the figure 12.8, it is shown that how the object, that is a particular block, when kept on, this is known as inclined plane. This is inclined plane. This is a block. When we keep the block on the inclined plane, then due to gravity, that is the earth gravitational force, the block will move to downside. But due to frictional force, that is small f, the block will move upper side. But it will not move upper side because the magnitude of the frictional force is less than the gravitational force. Therefore, the block will move to downside, but it will oppose the motion, and this opposing, that is the in the opposite direction, is known as sliding friction. Activity is there. This activity, a wooden table we need, inclined surface by keeping the brick and two book on the top of each other and slant a cardboard over it as shown in the figure. Now take one used battery and take it to the far end of the inclined surface. Leave it from the top and observe how far it goes to the table. Repeat this above activity by the smooth surface like glass sheet on the table and then by placing some sand on the table. We will see that in the case of the sand, the block will not move because sand will create more friction. But in the simple case, that is in this case, inclined case, the block can move but slowly due to the friction. This case is known as sliding friction. That when the object come to stop, when the friction between object and surface on which it moves is less, that is known as sliding friction. Is it clear? The second type of friction, that is sliding.